Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a cartoon animation with AI for free in 2026. So whether you're creating YouTube videos, animated stories, explainer videos, kid content, social media clips, or short films, AI tools can help you generate characters, voices, animations, and backgrounds without needing advanced tools or advanced animation skills. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create an AI cartoon from scratch, edit, and then export. All right, guys. So the first step is choosing a free AI animation tool. There are several free tools that let you create AI animated videos using text prompts, images, or pre-made characters. One of the platforms I'll be trying out for today is HeyGen. So with HeyGen, you may need a subscription, which you can get with your account. I'm currently on the free plan. With that out of the way, you can choose to create a video that is an animated video out of a photo you have, or create an avatar that can pose as your animated character, or just avatar shots with the created avatar. And if you scroll down a bit, this is what we're looking for: AI video generations, where you turn a prompt into ready to use footage that is great for b-rolls, backgrounds, and filler shots. And then there is AI clipping, or the option to start from scratch, where you can compose your scenes with avatars, voices, brand kits, just full creative control over every element. So we can go with any of these two, as they are what we actually need. So go ahead and click on AI video generator, click on this option, and it's going to open up the video generator. Once the video generator opens up, we're going to be heading over to Claude. It's good with storytelling. So Claude can help us generate a complete script in a few minutes. Once you've opened up Claude, go ahead and click on new chat at the top left corner of the side loader or the sidebar, and then just ask Claude to create a cartoon story that has a dialogue, scene descriptions, character ideas, and a narration. So I'm just going to type all of these out here. So I told you to create a cartoon story with dialogue, scene descriptions, character ideas, narrations, and let's just go ahead and click on send. Now, while this works in the background, we can head over to HeyGen here. And with HeyGen, we can just enter the prompt we're getting from Claude and also include an avatar. If there is no avatar, you can just browse all of the avatar options or simply create one for the project. So this was what I had created. Now we can just click on create an avatar, clone a real person, upload a photo, or design with AI. These are some of the options that were available for us, and we can just simply use any of the tools. Most AI animation tools include built-in character generations like this, so you should be able to upload your own artwork by cloning a real person or uploading the photo from your gallery or from your computer. So if you click on upload, you can just select it from your computer, and that's it. All right, so while we're here, we can also select the location. If you want it to be at a city rooftop or somewhere else, you can always customize that. And if you also want to change the camera angle, if you want it to, slowly orbit around the subject, dolly in, sidetrack, crane shots, handheld, whatever you want, you can do it with HeyGen. And you can also change up the music, the duration of the video. We can put it to 4 seconds, or let's just keep it on 5, and then your video quality as well as the aspect ratio for the video. And then once you're done, just go ahead and click on generate. All right, but while that is happening, this is what Claude was able to do for us. And now we can just ask it to turn that into a prompt. So I asked it to turn it into a prompt for a short cartoon that is worth 5 seconds, and just go ahead and click on send the message, and it would begin working on the prompt that we can apply to HeyGen. Now there is a multi-cut scene option where you can have various scenes showcased throughout the video. You could also have a UGC style for an ad, or a dynamic camera moment, or multi-character scene with more than one character being displayed in your video. But heading back to Claude, this is the HeyGen prompt here. So we can just go ahead and copy the prompt, head back to HeyGen, and use the Control key and V to paste in that prompt. And once it has been pasted in, just scroll through and just, you know, customize the prompt properly. And here we go. All right, so go ahead and hit enter, and you might need to upgrade to a later plan in order to be able to use this feature, but it actually works in this manner. it actually works. You could just, copy this and apply it to any other platform besides HeyGen. You could use it on other platforms to generate videos. You could also try it on Canva. Canva does have AI options. So if we access Canva AI, let's see if we can create a video from here. Go ahead and click on video clip and then describe the idea. So let's go ahead and copy this from HeyGen. So copy this, head over to Canva, use a Control key and V, and then go ahead and, submit it. And the AI would begin working on this. So once it's done, you should get an output from this. Now, you may be wondering how you can effortlessly do this. There is an option to connect your Claude with Canva. So how does that work? Click on the Customize, click in Connectors, head into Add, click on Browse Connectors, and simply search up the Canva option. So search for Canva, and you can easily use Canva to generate your videos. So it is possible to generate your videos directly from a prompt. All you need to do is just remind Claude that you're connected to Canva and it will begin working. So make sure to always communicate with the AIs you're working with. And let's just go ahead and create the video without an audio and go ahead and click on send. So it's going to begin working on it. And once it's done, the output would be showcased and I'll show you what that looks like. While this is working in the background, don't forget that you can animate your characters and overlay them on an environment. So it's basically going to look like this multi-cut scene here, where you have multiple scenes being played. So you can generate, your character walking through a forest, and you can also generate it flying through clouds and other stuff like that. All right, so once it's done, I'll show you what it looks like. Don't forget to also add voiceovers and background music. You can get your voiceovers or the music from Suno. You can get music from Suno AI, where you can generate AI music. And you can also get your voiceovers from 11 Labs. So 11 Labs offers voiceovers. So please keep this in mind so your video actually comes out looking good. So this is what it looks like here. We can just go ahead and play the video and voila. This is how beautiful this actually looks. And you can have this on your YouTube channel, your TikTok, whatever platform you own, by clicking on the download option and simply downloading it down. All right, guys, so that's basically how it works. Comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.